Hello. It's time to fit new wheels. Follow me, come on. I know you're good at art.
This isn't art. Technically.
Technically?
Alright. Unboxing new, unwrapping new wheels. The other way around, like, you're such a terrible cameraman. Alright, turn it back around, don't film straight. I don't like to
Film vertical. Film vertical, yes. Vertical.
Back. I mean, not rip. Unwrapping new wheels.
I'm pretty sure you need a knife.
Oh, look at that.
Those look old.
Look at these.
Those are old wheels.
Used, second-hand used wheels. Look at these. These are amazing. Let's hope this fits. Come closer now, damn it.
If Risha will watch this, he totally has the hots for you.
No. This is not me.
He totally does.
I don't even talk to her anymore. Are you being
What?
What are you doing now?
He's helping me film.
But
I'm trying
why?
to fit some wheels. Honey, can you get your phone and turn on the car? I can't see shit. Just turn on the flashlight. Okay, thank you. You're very nice. I love you.
One is enough. Alright, you film, come on.
Help me.
I have stuff to do.
No, you don't.
I have school tomorrow.
Just a bit. This won't take me.
5 minutes.
Yes, I got it. Hold on. Oh no, I think my lugs are too short. Oh, no.
2 hours later.
Yeah. This is Top Gear. Production 101. New wheels! Everybody loves new wheels, right? Look at that.
Yeah. Right there, babe.
Photoshop, hold on.
Babe. What? Huh?
What are those?
Alright. Come back here. Job done.
Piece of little
Lazy
lazy little shit.